What's going on, family? It's Dwight from Clark's Firearm Training and Safety, and today we're going to talk about EDCs. Let's go. Alright, family, today we're going to talk about EDCs and what exactly you should have. We train a lot of new students that just get into firearms, and they always ask us, what do we need to conceal carry? To me, there's a few essentials that you need to conceal carry. In my opinion, everything in this video is a must-have when it's time to conceal carry. So enough talking. Let's head over to the table and just do a quick pocket dump of everything that we EDC. Let's go. Alright guys, now we're going to go over some of the concealed carry essentials I think you should have and why they're important. First, we're going to start with a belt. Not just any type of belt, man. You want a nice, sturdy belt, not one of those flimsy belts. This belt right here is from Core Essentials. I definitely recommend Core Essentials. In fact, check out our website. We got a great discount with Core Essentials. Again, like I said, a nice, comfortable, sturdy belt is very vital to conceal carrying and being comfortable concealed carrying. There's a couple belt companies out there that make those belts that stretch. They really hone on, yeah, our belts stretch. I bought one of those belts, and I can honestly say it's not a good thing to have. When I put my firearm on, my pants still fall down because there's no grip to the actual belt. My firearm curls over because the belt is just flimsy. These belts, they have a bunch of different styles, a bunch of different buckles, man. These belts are amazing. They're pretty much one size fits all. You could cut the belts to size. They have a great ratchet system in there. So if you release this button right here, it releases the ratchet, and then the belt ratchets back in to be secure. When you're concealed carrying, one of the major vital things you should have is a great belt. The next thing you should have is a quality holster. Trust me when I say this, you guys are going to go through a lot of holsters, especially new shooters, people that are new to firearms. You're going to go through a lot of different holsters to find out which holster really is comfortable for you and really works for you. But there's a couple things I recommend. I definitely recommend a nice quality Kydex holster. They make those like pocket holsters, those holsters that are made out of fabric, different type of fabric. They also have leather holsters and stuff like that. I don't recommend any of those. I recommend a nice, high quality, tough Kydex holster. And I also recommend this wing on the side. If you don't know anything about this wing here, this wing actually brings your pants, removes your pants just slightly from the holster and clearing the firearm, just so you can get your hand down in there and grab that firearm without your pants being in the way. I definitely recommend a nice quality Kydex holster. Again, it may take you a couple different holsters to find out which one works for you. I definitely don't recommend just going on Amazon and getting any type of Kydex holster, man. Trust me, you're going to buy that holster 2 and 3 times over. I definitely recommend going with quality companies. If you go with a quality company, you may not have to buy another holster, man. That holster just may be right for you. Again, Kydex holster is definitely recommended for concealed carry. All right, next, guys, a spare magazine. I'm gonna be honest. Sometimes I do leave the house without my spare magazine and I feel naked, honestly. So what I recommend, I don't just recommend just throwing your magazine in your pocket. I recommend you can get a magazine carrier such as this. It's made out of Kydex. It can fit on your belt. It can actually slide in your pocket and clip onto your pocket as well. They also make different types of magazine clips. Clips that actually fit onto the magazines that could clip onto your pocket or your belt. But I definitely recommend having a secondary magazine that's not just thrown in your pocket, that's in the same place that you carry all the time. So if something does happen, you know where that secondary magazine is and how to grab it and how to load it into your firearm. So again, when concealed carrying, I definitely recommend a secondary magazine, but also having some sort of magazine pouch, a magazine clip, something like that to hold it, not just throwing it in your pocket or in your bag. The next thing I recommend is a knife. Just a quality knife to have on you. Not necessarily as you can see, I use my knife a lot. There's actually some box clippings on the actual knife, but I recommend a nice quality knife for just what I use it for, opening boxes. You could use it, I use this as a screwdriver sometimes. Just having a nice quality knife that serve multiple purposes. Like this knife is also a bottle opener, glass break, etc., etc. Just have a quality knife on you because you never know what you're gonna need a knife for. All right, guys, last but not least, you always want to carry a flashlight, simply because you don't want to rely on a flashlight that's on your firearm. Every time you're coming home in the dark, you can't find your keys or something like that, you don't want to have to pull out your firearm in order to get some light. I recommend Streamlight makes some good handheld lights. There are a bunch of companies that make great handheld lights. I recommend having a flashlight that you can clip onto your pants. Some flashlights even have, you can put on your keychains and stuff like that. Some of those small ones really don't have enough lumens for me, so I recommend a pocket flashlight that can, pen light or something like that, that can actually fit in your pocket, just so every time you need a flashlight, you don't have to pull out your firearm just to use your flashlight. To me, that's not a good look, and that's breaking some universal safety rules. So look, make sure you guys have a flashlight. Also a tourniquet. I haven't found a solid way, in my opinion, for me to carry a tourniquet. I'm still looking for a bunch of different options. I tried just carrying one in my pocket. It's very uncomfortable. It just doesn't fit right in my pocket. I tried to, they have some that strap to your ankle. I've tried that. If you guys carry a tourniquet, man, let me know how you guys are carrying it. I have one in my bag that I keep in my car, but I would like to carry one on my body, man. Let me know in the comments below ways that you guys carry tourniquets. All right. As you saw, man, everything that we EDC is very, very essential. If there's any items that we missed, let us know in the comments below. I definitely recommend a first aid kit and stuff like that, keeping it in your vehicle or in a bag that you carry. There are some EDC first aid options out there. We still haven't found the right one for us. I haven't found the right one for me yet. I also am looking into carrying a tourniquet as well. So if you know some good EDC tourniquet options, let me know in the comments below. Hey, like I said, these items are a must-have for EDC, man. A must-have. Give us your list in the comments below. Just let me know what you EDC and what you carry on a day-to-day basis. You can check us out at clarksfirearmtraining.com. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Hey, it's Dwight.